Hello and welcome everyone. This is Vinay KS from 6M ISC GMIT. This video is to give you an introduction to Amazon Web Service and cloud computing and how to create a virtual machine in Amazon Web Service. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a general term used to describe a new class of network based computing that takes place over the internet. Cloud computing means storing and accessing resources over the internet. AWS is one of the platforms to use cloud. In a cloud computing, resources like network, storage, server, software, database, which needed for the application functionality which are available on demand, and these on demand resources are delivered over the internet. You may have many questions about security cost performance. We're gonna address all it. Let a demonstration on how to create free trial account with Amazon Web Service and how to implement your first instance in AWS and how to create a virtual machine using AWS. Demonstration part will be shown by my friend Sumant.
Hi, I am Sumant Lingari from 6MISC. Now I am going to explain how to create a virtual machine with AWS. At first, we have to create a trial account in AWS. After that, you will successfully authentication with your Amazon service account. It will take on to AWS Management Console. You can see many solution options here. We are going to create virtual machine. For that, click to launch virtual machine with EC2. Here, choose instances, then launch instances. Here is a step 1, choose an Amazon machine image. Now we can see there are so many Amazon machine images and some of machine images are quoted like a free tier eligible. So as this is a free account, some of them are free to use for some house and some of them are not. We have to pay for it. Now I am going to use one of the free tier eligible Amazon machine image. So let's select as from the list Windows Server 2019 base 64-bit. Now the second step is choose an instance type. This image have a different types. It's based on the compute capacity, based upon the memory, based upon the storage assigned to this virtual machine. A different types T2 nano, T2 micro, T2 small, medium and large like that. I choose T2 extra large with a 4 core and 16 GB RAM for this virtual machine. Then next configure instance. Now the third step is configure instance details. I reboot my configuration here. I enabled this. Then go to next. Now step 4 is add storage. I take two volumes. One is 100 GB. Then add new volume. Second one is 200 GB. Then go to next. I don't need nothing from this. Then go to next configure. Step 6 is configure security group. Here we can take default port 3389. It is RDP port. It need it. Then I click review and launch. Now step 7 is review instance launch, and now I am happy with it and I am going to launch. Here I choose proceed without a key pair. Then I check it. Then launch instance. It takes some times. It's initializing. Now I am going to view my instance. Here our virtual machine, it's pending, it's take some times. Now done. Now our virtual machine is ready to use. It is information about our instance.